Where are we headed today?
The wall.
You're excited?
We hit the wall.
Yes. Chocolates.
Peter is our driver.
Hi, Peter. Say hi to camera. Hi, camera.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
No, you gotta say hello.
So early.
Why do you say hello?
3:30. Is another your mother? Your mother?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's my mom.
Okay. Your husband not coming?
No, not this time. Maybe next time.
Okay. Together better. Family better. Or your 4 children?
Yeah.
Maybe your husband?
We want to.
Yeah, it's better.
It'd be good.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I loved my time in China so much during the 2018 trip, in the spring break of 2019, we actually went back with all of the boys and Jason got to enjoy it. And we started in Beijing and then went down to Sanya and went to Atlantis. So you can see all that because I will be releasing those videos as well.
No, it's a good time, very good time now.
Yeah, this is a good time.
Yeah, yeah.
The weather's nice.
Yeah, yeah. So not too hot, not too cold.
Right.
Yeah, so.
We're about to sled down the Great Wall of China. I feel like I'm totally gonna lose my phone while doing this. The Great Wall of China, it was a beautiful day, but it was really hot. We went to maybe like 3 little stations and then decided, okay, we've seen it and we will sled down on these fun slides. So I guess it's against the law on this ride to be videoing. I didn't know that. I was still doing it. So they take your picture on this. It's like Disneyland, but not. Oh, gotta put it away. I think Peter's going too slow.
Nice.
Did you have fun on that?
Yes, I got to drive.
Come to the Summer Palace now, and we got some ice cream. And Emmett, what ice cream did you get?
I don't know. I just got
A good one?
a drumstick.
He got a good one. I picked, it looked like pomegranate to me. After opening it up and eating it, it's actually bean. It's delicious. It's just exactly what I was anticipating when I was hot and wanted ice cream, was bean ice cream. Just dropped my hat. It's sinking. I can't get it. Can't get it. But we are.
Dang that bean popsicle.
I knew she should have sat down.
So sad. That one earlier, and now I know that that's bean.
She thought it was
Bean is not good.
I mean, it's not bad. It's not a nice thing.
Life with Emmett in China.
You get the picture.